adventure with MiniSmart. Croissant tea party fun. Learn French numbers 11 to 20. Bonjour les amis, it's me MiniSmart. Welcome to my fancy tea party. Would you like some tea? Oh, you do? Here you go. Today, we're doing new numbers in French from 11 to 20. But wait, do you remember we learned 1 to 10 with ice cream scoops? Well, today, we're gonna learn with croissants. Let's get silly and count together in French. Onze. That's 11. Douze. That's 12. Treize. That's 13. Quatorze. That's 14. Did I say a cat? I'm just kidding. Quinze. That's 15. Treize. That's 16. Did I say 16? Let's take a little tea break. Dix-sept. That's 17. Phew. We only have 3 left. Do you remember how to say 3 in French? 3 is trois. 1, 2, 3. 18. This is 18. 19 is 19. And our last number, drum roll please. 5 is 20. Yay! We did it, friends! I think my croissants are tired from counting. Should we give one to Mrs. Lammy? No, she doesn't want to, but I do. So delicious. Bravo, les amis, you're amazing. I think I'm gonna have tea and eat croissants.